Ngena nabo baba. Hey, language yasedanyana abaziyo bayazi ukuthi sikhuluma ngani Vandag. So we're moving away from the usual and the actual norm, which is against the wall. Vandag said Abo Fader 24678910. Kunabanye bayakeqa ke. Bathi bawu6, bawu7, bawu8, bawu4, bawu3. I'm not quite too sure, but we are going to be unpacking. This is a brand new show in this new season. Ibizwa ukuthi Abo Fader. People have been saying, "Hey, Skim, we want another perspective, another opinion from different folks, which is Abo Baba now Pagat. So Abo Fader, we are not sexist ngale gama leli. We are saying bayaz affectionately known as Abo Fader. So whether ubabiza ngabo mama, Abo Baba, di mamzo amachita manyasho kanjalo. So we are just going to dive in deep into this conversation. Today with me in studio, you know, Mr. T. Oberam Timbane, Grootman Yami. We've been, you know, on the ground grinding. Grootman Etleva yase Vuta yase D-Town. You understand istrata. So clearly ngiyabonakala ukuthi iphekwe kulela bhodi elikhulu. Ngimbuzile behind the scenes ngithi yini umehluko phakathi kwesiboshwa neprison warder. Wathi umehluko ukuthi isiboshwa phela silala ejele thina silala ngaphandle mara hey sonke ngoba siphatha ama cellphone ufana ukuthi siyabhandinta siyashizila. Uthi Mthimbana?
Wala.
Kunjani uthi yake?
Shapten Moja kunjani?
Ngiyabonga nje yami. So abantu abaningi bana lento yokuthi labo father kahlahle nalabo mother bangoyile grand bagelezile grand na siyavuka is George na because kancane ukukhulunywa lesi vernacular and you are influenced by predominantly kunabo dark ngaphakathi asiqale straight from last buya khona before ngokuvumela ukuthi nje ubambe introduction ngifuna ukuyilanda ekolishi inthathi isikhathi ngizakanani darling bakuthiwa umuntu uyayo yogeleza as a prison warden uhlala for how long e-college
kulesikhathi sakucala bebathatha 6 months now lately sebathatha 3 months kuyadependa ngabo ngesinye isikhathi ukuthi baqede nini ukwenza lama training wakhona nama studies walapha training esiwenza lapha e-college so kuyadependa sometimes bathatha 3 months sometimes 6 months.
So a lot of people ngathi masikhuluma South sikhuluma ngokubreaking a brother's code. So a lot of people are now shaking. Abanye bahleli by the edges kuma bench wabo nasema sitini. This is going to be the most watched show by the prison officials because I know for a fact ukuthi omunye ucabanga ukuthi they are going to be dropping names manje. Omunye futhi uyasho ukuthi enkosi yami ikhele slam nami mhlambe liyovela. Asibabulise grand edladleni ubachayele ukuthi ubani ubuya kuphi nendawo ukhulela kuphi ubuya kweliphi ikasi.
Okay, mina nguThemba Masango. Ngibuya eDaveyton. Ngikhulele eDaveyton.
Mr. T Masango from eDaveyton. So asingene ke kule conversation out yami. Umuntu osukayo kuDaki once asithenga out yami yokhata. So the desire eyakho mawuvuka ekseni wambile boyesigele from primary high school kanjalo. The day you decided ukuthi yazini kahle ukuthula kuyashoda ngiyoba ukhata. Udecide nini kanjani? Ungena kanjani kulento yobu prison warder?
No, mina to be honest angeke ngikhuluma manga ngene lapha because bengingagelezanga no matric phela niSpani asikho yabona wathi ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi abazali bami bagalazile bashonile yabona so uthola ukuthi angina chance ngaya lapha ngingasincanywa iSpani just ukuthi ngivale nje ukuthi ngithola amaphalishi nami bengasithandi leSpani because truly speaking leSpani kudala besingafuni needucation bebafuni ungathi isithafu ezikwazi ezinespeed esigijimayo ukuthi izohlukumeza iboshwa yabona so bebafuna abantu abanjalo and then from boma 90s ukuza so kwaqala kwangena thina amajita wasemakasi young span yabona amajele waloka chintsha aya kancane kanjalo bro ngajoyina kanjalo hayi ukuthi bengisincanywa leSpan ngisincane lapha because ngibulalwa indlala
ama 70s 80s mawukhulu intwana boke wazwela ngento ekuthiwa prison warder because ngiyacabanga ukuthi basohleli so systemini uyazibuza ukuthi how did I get myself in this sticky situation uke wayicabanga lento moyintwana ukhulu ukuthi ngingaba ipoison lasejele
don't azange ke ngicabange riding bengizitshele nje ukuthi nami ngizogeleza mhlambe ngibe yithizana or umajiyani kanjalo yabona so because esimo kwangikhosta ukuthi ngiyothesha la yebo.
You still tuned in to Abo Fader. This is the newest show in the land, in the country. I know abantu ababhaya bahlala bazibuza ukuthi Nkosi yami siyoze sizwe nini perspective. So Vandag, now that you are here and uyizwa bukhoma from the head office at the HQ building. So please don't forget ukuthi we are more towards 300k. So don't forget to like, to subscribe and comment and share so that we grow this community. First episode of Abo Fader. So as Ufader maningena amagama nje mhlambe affectionately aziwa ngawo awasedanyana eniwaziyo because sometimes uyaqala kuwe but uzwa bethi uyabo fana umuntu ongana karabate usinethwa naye uzibuza ukuthi konje lisho uthini legama lela amagama waziyo enibizwa ngawo manida
wasedanyani
yeah
abufader timer yabona nabuma ulidi abu sister abumama amafamily babiza ukuthi abudimama mama yabona yeah so mawungena lapha ukuthi uthemba ngiyaphela sebakubiza ngelinye igama la Father Mthimbana kanjalo yabona yebo
okay now sizongena singena emfihlweni ke angifuni ukukufihla ke lokho ngifuna ukubeka nje kucace kube sobala kini nonke ukuthi we are not doing shows as PR interviews mina ke I'm straight as they come so if ufuna ukuza kimi elwazi ukuthi ufuna ivar so you want to be empowered and you want to be knowledgeable as well so abantu abaningi bayabuza ukuthi into yobufader konje how does one qualify ukuthi abe i-prison warden one abaningi bakhuluma ngesimokolo so we are going to talk about isimokolo Mthimbana ukuthi do you also believe ukuthi lento kahle inayo lento ye-pillow talk ne couch casting where you are coming in uzofuna ispan kufike kuthiwe no kufuneka izibunu uqala before uzothola lento inawo ama favor inayo politics at times we know ukuthi kube nabantu abebaphethe la but le ihok eziphethe bawazi ukuthi lo muntu politically naye bamdeploy as a political deployee mara ugcine seka busy afaka abangani bakhe ifamily yakhe nani how deep is that truth
my brother I want to be honest with you yabona i-Department of Correctional Services is one of the most corruptest department le oziphethe ikhulu bekunenye national commissioner ngama during recruitment time kuphuma amakhumbi ayi3 ayi Free State ayolanda abantu bakibo so I witnessed that thing so wathi kune meeting lapha eModapi ngamtshela 99 kugcwele ne staff ukuthi ngicela thule because nyamaza ucorrupt and manje ukuthi umuntu ajoine kufuneka umatric kunabanye abana matric lapha kuleyo gang and bebathi mababuya le Free State ngalamakhumbi by training college from training college badwadlwe ema-ofisini sebayagaciswa lezinto like le issue mhlambe sisazoza kuyo leyo ukuthi balala nabafazi babantu babagaya promotion iModapi is one of the most corrupt besiphethwe enye out area manager lapha le ude way be corrupting ngakhona for sure ilele about 30 yabafazi balapha kusho ukuthi beyiphendule iModapi brothel banikeza umuntu ipromotion angana ama qualification and then like ejele besisebenzisa imali ayiboshwa zispanisa itoken kunomunye my sister bekathatha lenyuku bamjampa ukuthi unaleyo locala yabona instead ukuthi bamcharge le oyalala naye bamgaya promotion and she was not the only one kunomunye Lucheri lo bekeza nama blue movie azikhiyele officeini lakhe namabhangayi mase ngikutshela ivar bro mawubukele lezo zinto uyavukelwa if normal uphile kahle i45 yakho uyathesha so yena bekazikhiyele officeini makaceda ukuzikhiyele officeini abukele le way neyiboshwa so kunesinye isiboshwa wasitshela thina ukuthi hayi bekamshanga inkawuza ke ngibona yajampa la ile ngibamxosha mabaceda kumxosha wabuya lo sister makaceda ukubuya bamgaya ipromotion angamiti ama requirements so thina mase sibheka sazitshela ukuthi hayi lokusho ukuthi bamshaye ngenkawuza kwaba ismoke down and then there was a case futhi kunenye ingam la sebenza naye kunesiboshwa the prisoner he was from KZN so he was asking them ukuthi bamgaya transfer because his next of kin are unable to come and pay him a visit lapho azamba bamgaya leyo lighting he decided to go on hunger strike ebrom bamthoshara kabuhlungu lelabhangayi isibongo salo Patrick Ndlangamandla bamshaya blind bamshaya ngamahunger boy uyabona ukuthi agcine kanjani kule la bamkeca bathi mabaceda kumkeca walala phansi bathatha i-fire extinguisher le bamphusha ngayo brom ngamanzi le bhangayi lathi dondayi angidli still should la yenza hunger strike lithi lifuna ukuvaya lengam levaya uthatha isibhamu yadubula lesiboshwa inside the prison can you believe azange bayenze next lengam la ende thina by then besingama shop steward siphakame sitshele nama manager yabona kuthi lo muntu makayi disciplinary hearing for sure bamukise ku disciplinary hearing bafike bamgaya verbal warning after verbal warning bamgaya promotion so mina njengami I started working lapha ngo1991 hayi ukuthi bengihlupha bona, they regard me as if bengihlupha. Bangisukela bathi ngibe comrade, ngigade izinto ezi-right. So bengigade lezo zinto. Njengoba asho uMr Khele ukuthi naye into ibeka straight, mina I'm that kind of a person. Angijika-jiki. Kusho ukuthi eDanyani kwenzakalani? To be honest, ama-manager abhaya, sorry to say this, ibhari yabona, iphukuphuku, imvemvane, ijeki. Yayithola mfethu. Bayazithatha bazigaya ama-promotion la. Bese zenzani? Zithengisa ama-promotion. Uthola ukuthi ibhari yakhona ino-standard 10. Iyolala nomuntu onama-degree ayi-2 or 3 ukuthi amnikeze i-promotion. So thina besiyilwisa siphethe enye ijeki lapha. The way bengakhona kushuthi ingafuni ukubona umuntu wesifazana ngazi leya bhari ukuthi ikhule ingadry
ihlala ibhonyele
kusho ukuthi noma ibona ama-bloomers bawanekile for sure beyibhonyele beyivukelwa leya bhari le ibashayile abantwana banemodabi and into ebuhlungu ibashaya kanje abanye babo bayasika or nayo mhlambe yasika uyayithola brom
Flo
and then saphakama ke sifuna babasuse amajele they were corrupt ngakhona sine minister manje bathi Groenewald ingam ihlezi officeini ireportelwa abantu abacorrupt. I've got his numbers, I'm talking to him. I have advised him ukuthi achinche wonke ama-commissioner la athathe yaseNatal ayilahlele Cape, athathe yaseCape ayilahlele ngapha kuzolunga because la eDanyani kwenzakalani kuspana i-corruption i-rife enye ibhari yasePitori nelonjani itshozi zayo zaselonjanini mazithola i-promotion zilahlelwe eDanyani ziyospana eDanyani. And it's so bad mfethu kunabantu abatheshe eDanyani for 40 years without promotion. But kunabocheri abangene lapha kuwabo cleaners namhlanje sekuyinduna zalapha bayenza izinto ezibad kunabantwana abantu abaqoshiwe kunabanye abocheri ngimangakutshela isinye story angeke ubelieve lo cheri bebafuna ukumshaya ngeduzu waskwila ba-arrange ama-supervisor ba-arrange namabhangayi bayothenga ibloomers ipaint bayibiza paint ibloomers ngaphandle banikeza lesibhangayi lo sister ngokungazi aye kulama supervisor athe supervisor kunesiboshwa siyangihlupha sithi siyangincanywa and sizwile ngizabe ngine i-birthday yami yeza next week sifuna ukungibhayela i-present labo khata laba bathi kulomntwana abantu hayi vuma mase uyithatha ayiletha dideng sizovela thina simphake yabona lo mntwana lahle ukhohliwe ukuthi bebamcela isinjonjo waskwila baze naleyo paint lebhangayi balihlohle leyo bloomers lithathe le bloomers lihlohle lithe malihlohla lo mntwana bavele mabaceda bathi asivayini sonke mabafika le bathi uJola nante siboshwa and funny should amawada liwe akhawatheka ngakhona akhawatheka ukundlula amabhangayi to be honest usebenza 30 years without promotion kufika uchera asebenze 6 months bamshaya ngenkawu zathola i-promotion
a concentration camp Grand. So Grand it's an evil department.
It's an evil department and probably like for example mawungabheka useless abayenzi next from commissioner bomahoti thina siyesa reportela i-portfolio committee bayaza boma isita bakhona sithema sibanikeza yonke into ezenzakala emodabi bamangala bathi we are going to attend this after some few months basitshela smoke down basitshela masibabuza bathi there's nothing we can do, your case is before the court. So sibabuze sithina we regard ourselves as whistleblowers. How do you as a department protect the whistleblowers? But ayikho into esizoyenza. Sabona ukuthi ayisikelemi. Yazi kwenzakalani kule department wena Mthimbana? Ijele lirano abantu abasepensionini. Kunama shop la emajele ayenza inyuku blind. No the last esonervater kulahleke 10 million. Le out le be in charge by advisor ukuthi ithathi early pension. Abayenzanga. I question that. I used ngike ngavela ku Sowetan, ngavela na ku Citizen, ngizama ukuthi siveze i-corruption yenzakala emajele. Khona manje kuneyiboshwa besikhishwa lapha emodabi ebusuku, bathi zibulale enye manager because imanager ingahambelani nabo yabona.
Uyipake kancane mfethu. Yazi ukuthi uBranani ku MacG. Uko wakhuluma lento yokuthi iboshwa zinokhishwa mapala kaqa then bese kuthiwa emfethu kunabantu kumele bayokapeka ngara. Ivar dayide ngiyenzeka dideng.
Ivar program. And uyabona the way kubhlungu ngakhona sinokuthi masivuka la emakasi sithola idumbu singazi ukuthi zibulaliwe yabo bani. Who knows ukuthi ile iboshwa and who knows ukuthi bazikhiphe ezingaki ngoba lesiboshwa wasitshela thina wathi bamgaya amapapa nembombozo uyabona ikhasi
asana
bathi mawungabulala ubaba uThamaga sizokukhipha lo Lesiboshwa bekungasibhanga ile iboshwa ngathi besikecimeli akusibhangayi yazi kunamabhangayi wamampela
Yeah, ihoko, yeah.
ihoko kunezinye ziboshwe nje zichayiswe isitimela
Yeah.
izo reporter thina sithathe le ndaba simukise ku National Commission asitshela ukuthi ahamba nivula icase kuma SAP sithi amari le induna yakho yazi le bhangayi azange lilaste lacisha ashanga ipoison le Grootman lebo kumele ibulalwe bayilande bayitshele bathibheka la abothemba siyobacosha wena resigner ofuniso yoluza inyuku zakho and for sure basicoshe sibanini and bro basicoshela into engekho we were shop steward senza umsebenzi okumele siwenze bapende linye ibonda lingacala la kufika kule khona bathi 600,000 lipendwe amabhangayi ngepende yasejele yonke into yasejele kudliwa imali etmodapi kunamaholo about na 6 yamaholo. Last bathatha iboshwa mas graduate bathi bayozibhukhela eDavidton kwelinye isonto bathi iGMA eOCC but baspende 600,000 for transport nokudla nokubhukha lelawo
ukuya nje church
siyazibuza ukuthi why nithatha labantu nibayisale kanti sinamaholo kanti bayadlalisa idragon yabona mhlambe nalo mfundisi nyana walaba mfumba thi si10 sgodonyana from lapho ziyabuya lapha emodapi manje kunediling kunebonda balifakile angazi if it was possible bengicela one day case yeni ngiyonibonisa lento ngintshela yona and edide ngintshela yona ngifuna ukuthi if possible ifike na ku Ramaphosa yabona ngoba labantu bakhe abayenzi next bahlizi nje uyayibona nale commissioner le bathu Thobakale bekangasithi uqala ukusearcha manje makufika le ngamla le and uyadlala basearcha manje ngo1 by 1:15 into zibuyela izinto sifakwa yithi abogata especially yabona lezi esihlukumeza abogata abanye sifaka into ezimnyama last number imvemvani yazenzani lezi ziye lapha because zifuna ama promotions yazinengele yabona
ziphilisa abantu siri nswembu kusho ukuthi nento enganasidingo baya over exaggerate imetha mayincane bafuna kuyenza ukuthi bayiblow out of proportion ukuthi kunyiwe
yabona ene kunento bangayifrustani prom ngifuna ukuntshela ivari yabona njengezesta igada amabhangayi mawanganazizola
yaliwe
bangahlala basicova wonke lamajeli so izesta yabayehlisa so banokuyifaka abajita abayifakayo from lapho lezi EST ziyayicova ijike zifake ezinye hayi zonke kodwa yabona enama trusted and the way basithanda ngakhona zenza nezinto engamelanga bazenze for example ama awaiting trial a transport ama SAP zona ngoba ziswela iSpan zigada nalama manager ahlukumeza abafazi babantu angisho zihlala zithukiwe ukuthi bazozicisha so zihlala zigadwe lezi asisagadi iboshwa manje sesigada lezi zinto last masiye kuye uThobakale lapha masingene eofisini bengivaya nenye Grootman bathu kheni imtsamayi sithi uringa naye ngale ndaba yethu yele case how angicake dimana athi ubani le nduna leyo ngimtshele ngithi leba leya ube bayisaba blind edanyani prom bekuyi regional commissioner yazi promoter ngenkani mayiceda yesixoshile thina eSpanini yazi yathini mayisixosha leyabhari yathi hayi laba ngiyazi bazobuya ngizobacosha eSpanini kodwa bazobuya sebadlelwe amadladla netrans badivorce yimidi
Mr T ngifuna ukubuza into ewana uthami yazi the way uringa ngakhona ne uyabona umuntu make fed up uyabona ukuthi uyaringa and lento ikhuluma from the belly are you not fearing for your life
my brother ngifuna ukutshela into ewana akekho umuntu angekagalaze lemhlabeni siyofa sonke angazi ukuthi ngiyofa nini kanjani I'm not afraid of anything nazo ziyazi ukuthi nazo maziza kimi zingalahli because angeke ngivume mina ngithi ngisaba ukuthi ngizoboshwa umuntu athi uyangibulala ngimbheke ngibukele ngizobulala 3 but ongizama ukuphendula impindo yakho ukuthi akekho umuntu angeka bhole noma zingangicisha ngijabulela ukuthi zabe zingicishe liver uyathola lento izinto ezenza ngale jele
so are you not also afraid ukuthi when we are dropping names the first thing abantu abayenzayo it's either they will shoot the messenger which is the show or they will come for your head in what sense abantu bajahela ukuthi kumention igama lami ngiyasuka and when you are saying I'm very factual and remember the views zikaMthimbane are the views zikaMthimbane are not the views of the show but this is the platform where people they need to ventilate so that ukhona ukuchange we are really trying to make sure that we teach people to unlearn some certain things le ndaba yabantu abahleli in power bangagelezanga bahleli in power ngoba banamandla mhlawumbe ukuka insimbi bahleli in power because bangene nge cast couching or bangene ngepipi it becomes a problem you know ultimately because abagelezile ukwabona ukuthi uthi ugelezile nje uphethe wonke lama degrees wakho, the next thing kuba khona umuntu ozokushayela lo muntu loyo ufile mfana off indaba yakhe ayikho akagelezanga akakeni fokolo umuntu sentence construction mawungathi bhala nje report or even if ungathi ubhala statement even elistasi kuthiwe lo muntu akabhala nje statement detaining statement lo muntu cannot construct a sentence marinduna uyangipostana so awuyicwayi lento yokuthi ngelinye ilanga bangabuya bathi efethu masingakapi siyakusuka
if bazothi bangisuka zabe badlala anginanjuri anginanyuku mina abangeke badobhe nix anginanyuku bayatholani ngitshela ivar and ivar into engitshela zona ngine-proof yazo hayi ukuthi ngikhuluma amanga ziyiciniso ibona zabe bafuna ukuzifakela isibuko uma bazothi bafuna ukusuka mina program kunenye icase lapha eDanyani ne kunomunye isester uyi-fro ye-manager lapha mfethu kwenzakala izinto uyajola uhlabisa iboshwa left right and center yena akathintwa into bayenzile bamkhiphile akasuspani ngaphandle abanye abantu ababasuspectayo bacoshiwe esipanini and kuye kwaba nesikhathi mina kushuthi benginama case ayi9 kushuthi dala bafuna ukungicosha brom ngitshela ivar dala bafuna ukungicosha kuye kwaba nesikhathi nginama case bathi mina ngi26 and into emangazayo bathi kuneincwadi zaseDanyani ezikumele sifundi language yalabantu bangazosihleba mase ukena leyo language bathi uyileyo nto yabona and mina ke ngenhlanhla bengikena isbig 5 ngikena is26 so nginethathula bangikhandela uV bathi mina ngine dollar sign beza bomachuzu ngebhathi bathola ukuthi nginethathu yemini Cooper la yabona kunenye isake enye ingami la beyithuka iboshwa uthi Kafur so ngitshelele le ngami la ngithi awukwazi ukuthuka le iboshwa wena uthi Kafur idakhi omunye udakhi wakithi uyinduna naye yilezi ezingagelezanga uthi kimi mina ngingena phi lapho uthi amarusho kanjani uthi ngingena phi awuzi lo muntu uthuka le iboshwa uthi Kafur kwachajwa mina instead mara ngayitlola ke yabona so injalo ilife yara bagayi promotion ungagelezanga ungana next mabaceda bazokughabrika kucosha abanye abantu
inkabi yotheshiswa grand so uyamori true span 13
mawungayenzi lokho bakudimutha iyenzakele emodapi kunenye out bekumele size nayo Happy Cindi namhlanje nayo ngokulahla kwakhe uyaphuma makafika edustbin uthola kuneyigada uthatha le igada uzimukisa lapha but uyazazi le igada sengikhuluma nawe so una 10 years akasuspend athi wenza umusa but uyazikena le igada
bamchacha ngazo same igada
same igada
amakhulu waseDanyani ngamanye amagama kusho ukuthi an eye for an eye tooth for tooth
yebo
umuntu mangakuncanya
uyavaya ejele or mawuyithekeni ungafuni ukubashayisa uyavaya
ilive yakhe izoba sera
bakhona basazoza after mina bazokutshela ukuthi kune manager ke yamtshela ukuthi if ungafuni ukungihlabisa you'll kiss this job and for sure bamcosha umntwana abantu bambona mina isiboshwa bathi ujola nalesiboshwa bamcoshela dialing and akusuye kuphela yabona
Marivar asithi nje on the contrary abodi imams bazishayisa le boshwa I mean sibonile lento iyaphuma eTV kuhlale kwenziwe yonke lenyakanyaka
abanye bayasishayisa bro yena isijonjo zabo angeke ngimcontrol mina ngigugu yakhe umuntu yakhe ufila kanjalo kahle kahle bekungamelanga balwise le boshwa ngoba bona bomaqhuzu angisho bakhona bomaqhuzu bebahlaba iboshwa zamabhangayi zaza buchiri so
zammethi eSun City
kabuhlungu kabi so into engifuna ukuyisho kahle kahle kunelinye icembu elivuliwe bathi Black Power Movement so ngizocela wonke amawada eSouth Africa awacoshelwa into ebeyingekho bangithinte ngizobagaya amanamba sifuna ukuthi sizolanda uGrunewald yabona ukuthi asincede ngalento because masithulile njengoba bobuza question ukuthi angisabi ukuthi bazongisuka or bazo if ngiyathula angireport lezo zinto ngibulala the next generation nezikulu zami ezizayo ukuthi corruption iloku ichubeka izinto ezenzakala lapha ziblind kakhulu bro ziblind ngalendlela ukuthi kunesinye istina basibiza ukuthi istina babhokile so ibonda so yabona emchuket konje yini le bathi indlela bonda lela bathi mawungena eDanyani lapha ngase bathi Hall of Remembrance babhala amagama about 130 waseModabi mabaceda babhale ukuthi member who died on the line of duty mina ngokunderstanda kwami isingami lo mabathi died on the line of duty isukucishela esipanini ngithola lapha babhala abantu abayi 130 abayi3 bacishela esipanini the rest bacishe ngama natural causes abanye ama-accident
Esa.
into ebabhlasile la bathenge ama-numplate la bebabhala amagama walabantu
Bekudliwa inyuku ke. Omunye umthangala lo.
omunye umthangala loyo mthangala bafakile nebrom bathi spende 500,000
Yo.
itina zasedanyani ukwakha samende amabhangayi
futhi.
kwakha iboshwe everything and mabaceda bayenza izinto so mina ngithe mangiceda ukureporta kusho ukuthi uDepartment of Correctional Services sinenyiwe bathi iDIU Department Investigation Unit
Yeah.
useless kokugcina icorrupt kokugcina
Ayobuthimbana ukwatile bafethu.
ngikutshela ivalo
What if you thought ukuthi against the wall was fire? Ayene senkingeni kubofadere. Khuleka nje yami.
ngikutshela ivalo mina njengoba ngibengishop steward kunesinye isiboshwa basibiza bathi basisuspecta ukuthi sijola nomunye umudere lesiboshwa sathi hayi mina ngifuna ucamba amanga lo mudere bekazikhiyela nomashobana i69 ukuthi bebayenzani kara angicini yabona bebangihlohlani inyuku nezesta igada
Yo.
ayi babhale ngilokhu ngichebukile nami ngikhona lapho ngilalele njengeshop steward mabaceda babize leyo mashobana leyo mashabana ivike mayifika lapha ithi hayi for sure bengimshaya ngeduzu lo muntu enemini ivisit bengayitholi njengalabo abanye bengithole ofisini yale ngamla yakhe ngoba yinduna ene le barity my discover ukuthi ngishaya umuntu wayo yamthatha lesibosha yamsivayisa ngehash
Esa.
yabona uye lo sister ngithi bamtreata good and then kuye kwaba nesikhathi bangibhunga mina bathi ngathi ngiyespanini ekseni ngibone enye ikari yabona ngijampe ukuthi hayi le kari leyo ngathi bafuna ukungenza something yabona lakhi bengiphethe intshibongo ke nami
Yeah.
idola ngiqhubeke bafike bami ngaphambili mangithi ngithola ukuthi abantwana abancane bro wami abantwana benduna
Esa.
bathi mina ngihlukumeza ubababo ngithi ubababo abobaba babo ngithi abobaba ngabatshela ngathi yazi nina nazi next nisesebancane
Esa.
abobaba benu bathi abantshela ukuthi nabafowenu la le Jake lezi zasezema manager wasemadanyana ziracisa bomede yabo cherry laba makumele baba support babagaya ama promotion program baba maintainelwa i-department ithi ngibeke kanjalo
Ayi manje iskandal ke leso
ngitshela ivaro
iskandal.
kunabo cherry uyabona especially modapi ene mina lewe ngingakhona this year I'll be turning 59 angiqwayi next ngisazoyena sephephini ayiphelelile ngisazomhlupha uGrunewald makangangilaleli ngiyoorganize wona abajida bami abacoshiwe siye ku Ramaphosa ake sichazele kahle ukuthi uphethe yipi yabona mfethu ngoba siyasogola thina manje kunento bathi OSD imali yeOSD sikweledwa yona ine first and second phase akekho waziyo ukuthi imalini leyo nyuku abanye abantu bayaresign bayacoshwa bayacisha bazitholi lezo nyuku ukuthi ziphelelaphi asazi laba bayipensionini bababhadala ngenyuku ngescale esirong kusho leyo nto ngitshela ngayo bathi OSD ziyakene ezisipane edanyani just amagwala ziyasha angazi zishisa yini kanti masingahlangana wonke lamadanyani sithi khuzi up angeke babacoshe mfethu ngitshela ivaro basaba into engekho mele ngizobagaya amanamba bangifonele especially lapho kunenye out yami yase Sun City na ihlala evuthe eDaveyton uyazi bayicosheleni le out beyi off mayindlule esipanini sayo eSun City ibone ezinye ziyatoyitoya iringa nayo bayeka labantu abasesipanini bacoshele out ina 13 years njalo isengasipani manje bayangicaka abantu ukuthi basabani already socoshe phela njengoba ngicoshe so akukho la bazongicasha khona bro ku government uyangithola ene na 10 years tubone 6 months ngingasipani
kule economy nje mfethu
kurafu kanje
asana and leso sikhathi lesi into enza ukuthi ubaseleke you know very well with the people who are still in the system or within the powers that be imimoya bro and yabona into ebhlungu kunabantu balahle ngani mina was born and bred eBinoni eDaveyton le Jake lezi zibuya la zibuya khona zizofuna ukungihlukumeza igasi lami yabona so yabona ukuthi if ngingatshintsha inqondo kwafika isikhathi angeke ngitshintsha ngazi mangiloku ngibona abantwana babo baphethe ama plastic oma Pick n Pay mina ezami incusi azinayo lezo zinto leyo nto yangibaselela ngifuna ucamba manga yabona no ifuna ukulungiswa man we don't promote and condone violence but I mean siphila kwenye country a land of plenty a land with possibilities in South Africa la ngabona ngeCovid ukuthi abantu bayaphila chief they cannot live off bread alone but there is a spirit element esikhona then also masingakhona ukusizana sibe nevara this country I think iphethe ama-minerals, iphethe ama-resources are serious over, ukuthi life inga-change. But when we have people are wrong as leaders, because John Maxwell, uthi everything rise and falls on leaders. That's what the doctor says. So you're still tuned in to Abo Fader. So I think this is a very heavy conversation, mawimamele ngenature yayo. And the narrative that we are pushing, we are not pushing a propaganda. And people who knows me, then know me better. They know exactly what me and I deal. I'm very factual. So I've just let the leader to speak for himself and to speak for many others. Abangakwazi ukuyikhulumela. Kunabanye namhlanje baphethwe depression, abanye baphuza amapilisi, abanye baze bathathe their own lives because of indlela zokuthi badismisswe. But mawuthi uyayicheck, it was unwarranted. It was unlawful, but it was a dismissal at the end of the day because of the powers that be. There's a uniform right in front of us. Ithi mnyazi zongizumela yona sike sithi uyibona le uniform. So kune parabellum la, that's what it's called. Libuya igama le parabellum.
No, kusho ukuthi laba yenza khona.
Yeah.
Yibo balimile igama lakhona.
Ifana ne-Tafis, butter Tafis.
Yibo.
Mina bengithi mhlambe kwi-parabellum enye yamagama weyibhamu kanjalo ngithi mhlambe umadubula wasejele. And ke ihlala ishayina ngale ndlela. So le parabellum ihambe iminyaka isikhathi eside le. Eze iboshwa basibiza ikwatiri. Uyalibona le boots ukuthi neko amampela lizwile kwangempela. Kuye kuthiwa liyakhuluma, esicathulo khuluma, bekuyophuma indaba ezi-serious over. Kunesokisi lapha futhi as well. And then kunenye futhi i-brown. Konje bayibizani le brown i-combat.
Yeah.
Ngoba khona le A1
bayibiza ukuthi tunic.
I-tunic ngiyayibona le light nyana le. Induna zithanda yona kakhulu. Ole. Asikhulume ngale uniform because when I go to Boksburg prison, by the way, ngomunye ke I think if bekuthiwa ngigelezile bangifundisa ejele bengizothi ngiyi-beneficiary correctional services. Unfortunately abanginikanga ball pen or paper. Ngabhala incwadi yami ngathi mangifuna ukubashayinisa ngithi let's launch the book in prison, nithatha i-credit engayideserve. Bafike bahala. Ukhona umunye ose-education namanje uhleli ufuna ukuyofela ey'tulweni laphana. Moya off. Mara ngoba nginamagwala impilo iyaqhubeka. Ngizomyeka for another day. Bengizommenshina nje one day. So mangikhuluma nabo abo baba bebekhala lo nyaka bathi emfethu it's been 5 years singatholi le combat but akuphakwa uniform. Instead mawuceda ungena yak-adopt yak-absorb i-system bathi hamba ucele next door impahla. How true is that myth? And why would abantu bele bastruggle i-department banok-allocate i-budget yabo 2.2 billion but abantu bele bayocela i-uniform kuphiswane omunye umuntu akwambulela impahla?
Bro, to be honest with you, i-uniform beyithunwa amabhangayi eWitbank all along.
Yeah.
Kuthe makungena lezi ezi-corrupt zanikeza abo-bracket bazo amathenda bastop iboshwa ukuthi singasayenzi liding. But iyenzwa yiboshwa. Bayenza isize eyi-1 i-big size nizozibona and like that's why ngithi siyafana bayafana nabogata namabhangayi. Ufaka usize 34 bakunikeza size 50 bathi bamba ndlula uzozibona. Lady deng beyenzwa amabhangayi. So ngendaba ze-corruption banikeza abo-bracket babo amathenda bathi yibo batho bayenza ama-uniform abayenzi uniform. So kuyasogolwa manje ngakubonisa Smartnet ngicimile ifoni yami kunelinye ijele bebacela amashiti abantwana bakhona. Bacela kwamanye amajele bathi iboshwa zinamashiti bacelela iboshwa. So kushuthi i-WhatsApp group yabantu basejele bakhuluma babodwa amagwala that's why ngithi amagwala abantu abasibani emajele bakhuluma babodwa inkinga zabo babuzana bona ngakwabo abatholi solution. So I was ngikuleyo group ngaba-advise ngathi yazi into ezosinceda ukuthi sifaceni labantu ngoba sitshelana thina ngokuthi abasizwa labantu. So nabo basilehe njengoba ngisho ukuthi eneni manje ejele le always corrupt ama-manager angisho siletha abantu bazo ababuye emadladleni the most bahlala bancenga yabona. So mina njengami angiyelanga ukuncenga lapha bengiyela ukugada iboshwa. Ngenza into ekumele ngiyenze ngenze sure ukuthi isiboshwa njengoba singena on his admission and on his release usharp. So mabakuthathile Mthimbana bathi nasi isipani ezinye uma zithi asitoyitoyini angeke utoyitoye because uyazi ukuthi bazikutshela ukuthi ungakhohlwa ukuthi ungene kanjani wena. So into ezosinceda bafowethu mina into ngicela bonke abantu abaye baqoshwa bazi ukuthi bacoshela into engekho. Nama ex-prisoners ngizoba ngigaya inamba sihlanganeni sizokhanda uV and hayi ukuthi uV yokulimaza siyokhipha ikhalo. Nala ikolweni ngizohamba ngizocela bo scheme GP yama bahamba bavaye nami sifuna ukuthi sicollectele abantwana ngoba yibo silungisela bona isasa labo yabona. Sizohamba basikhaphe siyele ku-minister kudayideng. Siyocala ku-minister excuse me siyocala ku-minister nyaza ngeke asifatele kopti from lapho siye ku-Ramaphosa.
All right. But kwenziwa yini Bram Timbane ukuthi yonke into ekhulunywayo in English but it falls on deaf ears, because even iboshwa uyaskipha isikhalo today kube nabantu abaningi kusese nabo Mr Vincent Smith, you understand, portfolio committee in parliament, kunalama levels akhona, kunabo baba uMagwanishe, I mean of course balaphana as a portfolio chair in parliament, but mawuthi uyalandelela kukhona abantu lento itfola through the cracks, ayifiki la meli yakhona or mayifika akubi ne response. La bantu should bane power engako yaseDanyana, because even now kunomuntu onokuhlala ku reach I sell by date ye sentence yakhe, expiry date idlule chief ngonyaka nga2 nga3 years until angazi kuze kukhulume bani. Kunama outi the likes of Abo Sylvester ijele limkhafula kanje because lo mfethu lo uhleli iminyaka 33 kungana plan ngaye. The next thing azange bahlale nokuthi bazobakhuluma about the actual rehabilitation, we are not even quite too sure. Are you saying are you reformed? Are you rehabilitated? Ababi nestory esiphelele. Why? Because indlela bamkhiphe ngayo bamkhiphe ngehurry up. Sekuthiwa hey mfethu ephuma masishane via. So I've got a big issue ukuthi why kungabi ne response. Then in addition to that, kunabantu abakhona abakhulumela department. The likes of Fabo Ntate uSingabakho Nxumalo. Anga outi. But mawuthulanda Ikhotman uMalsbud ukutshela kahle athi that man is a bum, chief. That man got into the system, was very thin like this. Today he's got a big fat belly and he's doing nothing. There's one up at the seat and uvala machine nekenzwa le intuna lezi. Why ku communication kuba kanje kunale nkinga?
To start with yena usiba khulu akazasipana akazifokolo ngitshele.
Singabakho
Ukhe wasipana bitshele. Bamlanda khona bamgaya le post. That's how they operate. My brother was very much surprised mina mangifika ngiye ku uThoba Khale. uThoba Khale unama bodyguard. So I even asked uGruneval ukuthi uba no bhatala lama bodyguard ka demand. Bambhatala ngenyuki. Uyabona? So
ithini igazette vele? Ithini uhulumeni ukuthi iNational Commission ibe nama bodyguard?
Hayi akumelanga. The way bengazi ngakhona ngazi yamanje ANC.
Okay. Yeah, please carry on ungakhohlwa ke. Ngifuna ukukhuluma nje ukuthi le system should is it inama layers we protection ba protectene ngaleyo ndlela.
Ba protectana kakhulu bro wami. Kusho ukuthi ifana kanjani njengoba ngikutshela. Umuntu makuyi area manager la iceleni uyofaka ijozi zakhe nabo cherry bakhe labanikeza ama promotion. Angeke wenze next. Bheka thina besikhuluma into important kanjani ukuthi emadoda. Bheka kwenzakala this and this, but thina sizithola sekusafara thina today. Baya coverana. iDIU ithe mayenza masi labosha na wonke umuntu aphana ngestatement. iStatement esikhawatha idepartment bayazikhipha. Bayazikhipha baya protectana kusho bayashieldana mfethu uyabona. So ayikho into ozoyenza.
Mara, what do you think would be then the solution? Seeing that we have a serious crisis and ngamanye amagama sikhuluma nge-management crisis, ngishilo ngathi yonke into it rise and falls on leadership. So our leadership is dwindling, our leadership is in tatters, is falling apart, and they are hell bent to protect one another or each other. So yini desingayenza to infiltrate the system? I'm talking as a civilian, I'm talking as a concerned citizen in South Africa to say people are going to prison to be rehabilitated, not to be condemned. But you have people now ekuyiba bafaka izinto abayenza izinto bapromotane bayenzele fondling bafaka ama sex tape bafaka intsango bafaka imimesa nani ubani omunye ucabanga ukuthi mhlambe ke kuloko angakhona ukusilalela, because remember we have a protocol. Now you have said you have exhausted. From the area commissioner we exhausted yapet. From the regional commissioner what we exhausted yapet. National commissioner uyizwa ukuthi thini. Uno minister manje. And then yipe enye layer sayisele kahle kahle.
Mina I think uRamaphosa osele ipresident. Ngoba my brother ngireporte kunjini le cherry le abo umkhwebani begini phutho
public
protector kusese umkhwebani wasi referela back kule DIU e corrupt. Sa reporta kumkhwebani futhi azange assist. Sa reporta ku portfolio committee kusese uMagwanishe azange assist. Manje ngicela ku reporta kulo musha. I can't get hold of ngikhuluma ne secretary yakhe ngithumela ama papers about 6 months ago. Ngithe mangibuza yathi ayikayiboni lento boku December wathi ngithumele entsha ngamthumela entsha ngambuza ukuthi izothatha isikhathi esingakanani wathi 29 days. Sekundlule another 6 months futhi. So ngiyabona ukuthi ayipuppet nje uyabona labantu basebenza lapha ngokuthi as long ahola ukuthi the next his black brother is suffering they don't care bayashieldana brawam. That's why ngithi lento ifuna mina the way ngicabanga ngakhona ukuthi kulanda uRamaphosa and then I'm not going to relax. I'm now going to start ngimbhalela incwadi ngisifake ku Sowetan like I used to do.
So are you saying the credibility of the Brown is questionable kahle kahle.
Yeah.
I mean, like the men in blue, a country near to understand ukuthi kunabantu abagrand, the women and the men in blue, aba serious, who are committed to do the work of God and nomsebenzi government aba entrusting ngawo, but because of the leadership corrupt, they end up now sebafana nesystem or bathe kuyafana. If we can't beat them, it means we must join them.
Yes.
So Lo Brown, when I own respect for riding.
Hayi nakancane anginayo total. From into engizibonile ezenzakalayo la eziblind, especially njengoba ngikutshela ngayo imodapi. I-corrupt ngenye indlela.
Okay, there's going to be an inquiry. You know, other people bayithatha I chance ngokuthi babe nalento yokunyatsa. Yabona le spirit nyana so unyenyefatsa. Uthatha umuntu overlook kanti you are overstepping ama boundaries, and also you are overlooking into engakuthathi capsizes. So if you're undermining our platforms, then you've got the biggest problem and you've got a big thing coming to you, because our platform, I've seen it through the past, has got serious power to influence izinto on a positive. So what we are saying, we are not challenging the powers that be. Uguti, they need to change. Mhlambe whatever. System mayisebenza, we cannot fix what is not broken. But let's agree in principle. Let's call each other out. Senze ninte So this uniform, abantu abasela bakhona. Are you saying you can put it when clearly ukuthi ubuningi babo balaphana without hope? Laphana because akunanto enye abangayiyenza, akunayibhani South Africa.
Yes. And then now recently, if you can go and check, abantu ababhaya bathatha ama-early pension, bayasliza the way isimo sesingakhona. There was a time member waseModapi, they were not allowed. Kunenye ingamo la besisipana naye. Le ngamo lithengisa amakota lapha eDanyani. Ithengisela amabhaka. Ngisho ikota cala kuboma 10 rand 15. Yona ngathi beyihewulisa 5 tiger or malini. Bayiphake le ngamo la ngalamakota wayo. Just because ingamo la bayishaya ngevebha loaning. Mabaceda bathi akusangeni ukudla la ejele. Kunabantu abasikayo abaphuza amapilisi ekumele bagawule. Azamba bahlezi about 4 to 5 years bangagawuli abantwana babantu mara amagata. Into enjani leyo? Uyabona ukuthi badlula amabhanga ayadla babukela amabhanga. Bona umuntu akadli kumele uphume awuna trans mhlawumbe ye-Springs Gate or ye-D-Town awuna trans. Yabona. So i-system le i-corrupt bro mangifuna ucamba manga. Amajele abolile ukubola. And ngizwela labantu ubuhlungu ama-minister ngoba kayenzi next uhleze ofisini. Ureportela ezinye zona lezi ezimreportelayo. Yizo lezi ezi-corrupt zimtshela manga ukuthi hayi ku-grand. Kuye kwaba nesikhathi la eModapi kwaba about 7 escapes. Ngezwe iminister ikhuluma before uRunevald ithi nama-escape avaliwe this year sibane nama-escape ayi-3 ngathi uyahlanya lo ngabamba ku-radio khaya ngathi unamanga lo muntu lo ngithemba masango mina.
Oh, i-stats bagana ngento e-wrong.
Ayikho into e-right.
So when you are listening to Singabakho Nxumalo uthi iyabheda le part.
Iyabheda
vele uthi lo muntu lo kahle grand uyi-spin doctor lo muntu kahle.
My brother nginenamba yakhe akekho umuntu ongaringanga naye ngakutshengisa nama-message wakhe. Ngikhuluma naye athi hayi yena akazi ukuthi uzoyenzani
umuntu we-PR grand. So laphana lo mjita makavuka ekseni uyahamba yogoqela i-department.
Yebo.
And the only way ukuthi bayenze labantu if uyahlupha bayakukhena esystemini. So njengawe baye bakufahlaka ngokuthi bavele or bakucollapse ngokuthi bakuxoshe esystemini.
Yeah,
because mawuphakathi uyinkinga serious.
Yeah, too much. Either bebaplan ukungicisha or mhlambe baye basha ngoba nami ngumuntu wasekasi ngumuntu wama-out yabona. Nami ngizama impintshi. Bengeke sivume ngigalaze ngezinye indlela ezingayifustani uyayithola.
Yeah.
So kungenzakala ukuthi baye baplan ukuthi ayi le masingayibulala siyosithelela unqobo awuthi plus la Ispanini njengoba ngithi le nduna yasho yathi bazobuya kodwa bazobuya sebahluphekile badivorceile badlelwa izindlu njengoba ngikhuluma nawe engidlelwe idladla engidivosiwe yenzakala yabona ngoba naba ngisho bahlupha ngokuzithambisa ukuthi ngicoshiwe bengiyi-prison water uyi-prison water ejele hayi la ngaphandle la kuyagijinywa estradini ulence ukuthi nawe uthola ibhomani uyakuthola mfethu awulenci ngokuganga or ziningi indlela
zokugijimisa ne. So angitshele ke sesiya ngakhona in terms of indaba zemililo ngi-interview nyawuthi yami ithi yona hey chief ayikho into engangena ejele negani yangena ejele. So according to your experience, I know ukuthi mhlambe fantuka kuke kwenzeka kungena into zemililo, your experience with regards to that.
Yebo. Ngo-1994 kunamanye amajita ase-Whiteville baye bawalathela intshiza bayifake phakathi kwempuphu le story besikhulunywa uSylvester yayenzakala eModapi sure babagaya lileng kusho ukuthi angisho kuneyitoro lapha labantu kusho ukuthi labantu bakhawatha lohata wabantu bajwayele ukumokola naye abafudwadlela izinto beza nempuphu kanti bafaka intshiza bamgige yona bathi hayi nazi nezinye izinto nayi-2 nyana yakho esikholana yabona athi moja afake le way iye emakhulukuthi bawayindela ilanga le visit bekuyi-visit yama-waiting trial bathi mabaphuma ngala kwashuba brom enye ingam la ithi stop bathi uMoorcroft bayishanga intshiza yagalaza phakathi edanyana and zasayistepha vele zakutsa le uzadla phansi the masiphuma lapha eparking zithola omunye umakhokhoba wengam yabona zamcova itransi kanti nabo bracket bese barothile ngasemuva and yabona izinto eziso ziba buhlungu ngani the way namajele aphatha ama-member ngakhona ama-member ayanokuyizwa ukuthi kusasa kuyophakanywa or kuzoyenziwa so umuntu makakutreata bad uzokhuluma uthini uyathula udime or uzifakele i-day off uthi afok utshele ezakho ukuthi ningayispanini ngathi zizoshuba kusasa mawuthi fakana amalanga uyabona sobulalisa nabanye ngenxa yale treatment esiyitholayo phela ibhlungu into yenzakala edanyani usipana 40 ayin no promotion kufika uThekwini aphine
promotion
so phethe uyanivurvaya blind ngapha kakeni nesipani le cherry le ngithi beyifaka ama video lapha edanyani bayinikeze ipromotion ingamita ama requirement bayifake ku office lokuba yi human resource ne akasazi ispani sala wenza vice versa yena uhlala semacaleni kusho ukuthi yena ingamla
department serious chief you are compromised mona
and the wasonda umuntu omnyama ngakhona ne kunomunye ucherry bakhe bathi uJola nesiboshwa wasika washaya i-depression wayosi uyifanekela luThekwini lo ingamla wayothatha istatement esibhedlela uthi makaphuma ku-parking lot luThekwini wabantu wagalaza yabona so mina ngikhala ngithi yasuseni luThekwini la makasuke luThekwini ngoba asazi ngesipani yabona azihamba afuna ukumsusa namanje usesela Modapi bagaya ipromotion bathi hamba uyofunda after that's why into zala azihlangahlangene that's why ngithi if bakhonakala Mthimbana siye ngiyonibonisa into engikhuluma ngayo ubone ukuthi ngiyagoqa or river na
kusho ukuthi Modapi if kungalandelelwa based on the allegations I will say allegedly and apparently according to your utterances bekumele bayenze same thing eyenziwa amanye ama political parties bekumele ifakwe under administration imiswe kuze abantu nje an interim body or structure that will preside over just to make sure that they uproot yonke le corruption until further notice because ngendlela okhuluma ngayo kusho ukuthi liyarana idanyana yabo and if besingaya ngamahemhem I know indawo eningi zingavalwa so because your assertions they need to be put to test so that we really know and understand where you are coming from because at times omunye umuntu ngamdlinzela ukhulume ngayo kanti we have our own personal issues and vendettas you understand kungakhulunywa kanje kanti somebody else says hey Mthimbana what if he's sent by a certain political party because he's pushing a political agenda but you are saying it's my personal experience ngaphandle mina as we speak anginayo inyuko yokuthengela ingozi zami isingoma because ngaqoshwa prematurely so labantu bathi sibethi death yami ziseza bafaka ne tombstone early so when we wrapping it up ne future endeavor what's the current status if you don't mind sharing in terms of your case mangithi your case ngikhuluma ngawe and the Leonard colleagues onabo
bro kusho ukuthi mina yami case manje sese labor court labo bracket laba bayithuba khawathekile actually basiduze C3 lo munye iPope crew yambhekela imenzela konke thina sithu abasenzeli yenye bathi uJafta Sikhosana ihlala eBhetali nami so sthemas icase mayivaya masifika ebargaining council le obese represent hey man ngibona ukuthi le out ngathi yasibhayisa lena yabona ngitshela abo bracket ngithi mara ngiyambona umzala ngathi uyasichopisa le out izithi hayi ngithi hayi right salani naye mina ngizosifunele yami irap for sure ngifuna irap out izongirepresent yazi le ozihlezi zizitshela ukuthi isakhe yazo ziyavaya last bazithumela incwadi bathi bazitshela ukuthi ama case wethu are serious angeke baba represent kusho ukuthi sebakhawathekile abantwana babantu ile ibakhoda angeke isalunga bashawe isikhathi ithi ngibeke kanjalo uyayithola ukuthi ibhlungu kanjani that's why ubona ngilwa ngizilweli mina yami se-labor court ngimeli date sengikhalela abantwana babantu abaqoshiwe bangayenzanga next banabantwana yabona and kunento balahla ngayo labantu yazi indlala engakwenzisa amanye ama-flop ngathi ngiyavuka akunabhomana akunasinkwa lapha edlaleni intwana yami ikhali kuyonkosa ukuthi ngiyoma labahlala khona ngibathathele le grocery yabona and kuyenzani bese bayangiphaka via bathi what uyayithola so izinto esizifuna nje njengale hlelo leli la ka-GP scheme ngibona ngathi lingasiza ukuthi size le ndaba yethu ifike kuRamaphosa laba abanye sikhohlwe ngabo ngoba mfethu sibuya kubo abasincedanga nga-next.
All right, South Africa, there you have it. I think we've got access to our internet nama platforms esinayo entambeni zokuxhumana, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. So if you feel good, no, this has really, touched the nerve, please do the right thing. Let's do justice. Because kwesinye isikhathi sinokuhlala sithi hey bafethu was it justice served, but no. And abanye abantu ngeke bayi witness until to the grave. Omunye uzashone ijustice angayibonanga. So now that Ubrathemba has put in his best foot forward with the colleagues and Sazobabona Beza, it's not going to be a venting podcast where we are now talking about all the negatives. I'm sure you have learned a lot. So please make sure that you tag us, stretch, capacitate, so that the message ifike endaweni as serious. We've got networks, we've got connections. There's someone ukhulume our first citizen, or mention igama le first citizen, kunabantu abayibukelayo le nto. I was surprised mangakutshela abantu ababukela i-podcast mawubamamela. The other day nje just advocate Ike unota ubrasbu bayazikhulumela, but you realize good people religiously bayabukela. Ubra Ike when he said, hey man, yes, I was watching this podcast, I saw you nota when you're doing 1 2 3 4 5, then you realize ukuthi lento, you cannot underestimate the power of this network. So with that said, we are going to sign off and we are out, but Ubra Mtimbane, I'm going to allow him to drop the numbers. But ge ifoni yakho izobisheka kanje, our platform inesinye isifo ke ifoni yobikhala mlibeke manje bayokufonela wire. So if you are negative, you want to threaten him, sebenzisa data yakho wisely somewhere. But if you've got something to do, also share your WhatsApp number so that nikhona kumthinta. We are going to write the number on the screen. With time, inamba besiya move. But ke ungasibizela yona Abraham Timbana, inamba comfortable ngayo. But into engikutshela yona ukuthi umuntu esibhale inamba yakhe la, it's a life changing experience. Angeke usaphuma ifoni yokhala waya ungabaka inamba.
Okay. Inamba yami 076 516 3913. 076 516 3913. Angisho ngesinye isikhathi mogaya abantu kumele bavule bafuna ama-ball pen ithi ngiphinde vile 076 516 3913. Themba Masango. Ngicela bonke nani nicoshiwe nazi ukuthi nicoshela into engekho bafethu, akekho umuntu ozonilwela, yekani ukuhlala imva kwamekhuku nibulalwe izolo. Asihlanganeni sibheme lezolo isigaya itafula ukuthi bangena kanjani labantu. Ayikho enye into bafethu, angeke sicoshela into esingayazi singayenzanga. Bona bazidalela uthalala bayenza leyo bafuna ngakhona.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That's how we're signing off and we are out. You are still tuned in to Abo Fader. This is going to be the most beautiful show you have ever witnessed in this channel. Siyakhula siyaphambili as a community. You've seen the color orange. So manibona le color again yazi ukuthi signature. But siyachange again. Angithi we evolve with time as human beings. Kusasa ngizobe ngifaka okunye futhi la. So manibona le ikhuluma enye language, le ikhuluma leyo i-testimony, manibona ama-donkey peer, awe-EST, manibona ama-handcuffs, yonke into ine-language yayo, i-identity yakhona. Hey, yini le ndlela esihambayo. Long walk to freedom. Keep on and stay blessed. Until the next episode. Salute.